Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Look at my screen right now, okay? Right now you're looking at a payment of $2,200, right? And $49 here. And what I did, I'm in Hawaii right now. Check it out. I'm in Hawaii right now. And I'm doing this from my bedroom here, my canopy bed here. And what I want to do real quickly here is show you what I'm doing. This is a brand new website. You've never seen it before. And as you can see here, here's the payment that I just got paid to my email here. And let me show you. Give me a second. This is the date. It was yesterday, 4/29. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. And all you need to do is use this automatic upload system. It doesn't take money. It doesn't take a lot of time. And as a matter of fact, you can do it exactly what I'm doing right now. In your bed, have your laptop out. You can have your iPhone, the Galaxy phone, and this works here, okay? Now check it out. Rule number one, for this to work, because many of you are watching my Make Money Online videos and some of you are complaining like babies, it's not working. Listen, the first time around, you have to watch the video without doing anything, which means is I don't want you to do it with me, okay? All I want you to do is watch it. I want you to absorb the information, learn, then I want you to watch it again, number two, and do it with me. Does that make sense? Because you're going to see things that are it's not going to make sense to you, even though it's free and it's easy, but you need to just absorb the content first. Does that make sense? Smash the like button, and I promise you, if you do this right, you'll get checks every single week, every single day to your account, and it doesn't take any money to do this. You don't have to be an expert. You could be a brand new person on the internet, and I'm going to show you. You don't have to record any videos, nothing like that, okay? That makes sense? You don't have to have an Instagram account, Facebook account, nothing at all. All you need to do is have a will to win. I want all of you right now to comment the words below. I can do this. I'm going to go real quickly here. But like I said, watch it twice, okay? Because one day you'll be in Hawaii just like me with your kiddos making money online in your canopy bed, relaxing, enjoying life, okay? Smash the like button and make sure you sub to the YouTube channel, Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. I record videos and upload every single day to help you as brand new entrepreneurs to make money online, okay? Is that cool? All right, look. Step number one, go to this website called odyssey.com. Take a screenshot. Listen, the reason why I'm doing this video here is because a lot of people are not familiar with this website. This is a YouTube alternative, okay? And the great thing about making money online is the people that always win are the people that are in first, like you. Okay, so if you want to get ahead of the ball, you have to be in first and make the money. That's just how it is. If you're the last person to the party, well, you're going to miss out on the punch. Make sense? And the food, right? You're going to go home hungry and upset because you didn't get in first. So Odyssey is a new YouTube alternative, okay? And let me show you the type of traffic that they're getting right now. If I go to SimilarWeb, scroll down here, they get over 21 million visits a month. So what does that mean to you? Well, many people will make a ton of money if you do the strategy that I'm about to give you right. Hey guys, smash the like button if you can still hear me and if you're with me and if you're eager to learn. Smash the like button right now. Let's go. I had to do it. So 21 million people to a site like this means that a ton of people in a couple of months are going to make a lot of money. A lot of YouTubers are already moved over here. And like I said before, you don't have to record any videos using this technique at all. Okay? As a matter of fact, I'm going to do the work for you. Is that cool? Smash the like button if you appreciate that. I'm going to just listen close, watch it to the very end. And remember, you have to watch this video twice. If you do it once, you will make $0. I promise you. Okay? Now check it out. So YouTubers are now uploading videos here to the site, and I'm going to show you how to monetize it. And like I said before, you don't have to record videos, okay? I'm going to do that work for you, all right? Now, step number two, I want you to go to youtube.com, and I want you to go to my channel. Type in Wesley Virgin here. Maybe I'll leave a link in the bio. This is important because this is what you're going to do. It's very simple. All you're going to do is find my top videos, okay? You're going to go click on videos here. That's me, Wesley Virgin in the blue suit. That's me right here. Click on videos, okay? And then I want you to go and click on sort by most popular here, okay? And what I want you to do is download the videos that are getting the most views. I want you to download this video. This video, this is 1 million. This had over 24 million views. Because what you're going to do is, to profit here, you want to upload videos that are already getting a ton of views. That means that people on YouTube, they love it. And people on this website, Odyssey, is going to love it as well. Does that make sense? So listen, you're going to download as many of these videos as humanly possible here. They get a ton of views, okay? Now, you might say, well, Wesley, where do I go to download these videos? Good question here. Go to google.com. Type in YouTube. Smash the like button if you're enjoying this right now. YouTube video download. See that right there? And you choose one of these. You can click on YouTube downloader here, okay? So if I want to take one of Wesley, now you take my video. Don't take anybody else's video. Oh, not this one. This one right here. Okay, right. Only use my videos because I'm willing to give you my video so you can be successful. You're not going to be hit with a copyright because I'm cool with it. Does that make sense? On most of my videos, I allow people to use them because they're really good and people learn a ton from my videos. You can use them to monetize yourself. Is that cool? Smash the like button. I'm doing this from the top of my heart. Well, because honestly, I just want people to win. I want you to make more money. So I'm willing, listen, to give you a video like this, right? Click on that video. Look at this. Copy the link. You're going to go back here, okay? See that right there? You're going to click on convert. You're going to wait a second, okay? Get link and just download it. That's it, okay? And that download goes straight to your computer, okay? And that's the video that you're going to upload to the Odyssey. But listen, if you want to make more money, you have to just keep uploading those videos. Does that make sense? Because these videos are already popular on YouTube, which means they're going to be popular on Odyssey. It's the same people that are going to YouTube. Does that make sense? Like, it's the same people. Listen, I have an account right now. I'm moving like 1,000 of my videos right now. I have a team that's doing it right now. I'm going to make a ton of money on Odyssey. Okay? I'm already making like $100,000 a month from YouTube. And now my goal is to make $100,000 a month with Odyssey. Now, check it out. You may be thinking, okay, Wesley, I'll upload the videos to Odyssey from your channel, right? You take my top videos here, okay? How do I make the money? Now, listen. Once you create your free account here on Odyssey, very easy. All you need to do is to start uploading. See? Uploads, okay? And you upload something. When you upload the video, in the description, this is what you're going to type. Listen very close. The #1 strategy to make money online, or the #1 strategy to manifest whatever you want. You're going to put that in the description when you upload the video, okay? Then you're going to go to a site by the name of digistore24.com. It's an affiliate network platform, okay? If you go to Marketplace, you scroll down. You're going to go to the Genie Script, which is one of my products that's doing very well. And I'm going to give you, as long as you sign up today, you get 80% commissions, which means this. This link, when you click promote now, let me log in real quick. Give me a second. Smash the like button if you're with me and if you're excited to make money online right now using this method here. This is very simple to do, and it doesn't take a lot of work, okay? I'm in my bed doing this. Marketplace. Look at here. You're going to scroll down, Genie Script right here. You're going to take your affiliate link. Now, listen. You're going to copy and paste this. This is going to allow you to get paid, okay? You will get paid. They will pay you just like they paid me. Does that make sense? Okay? You go back to Odyssey. You upload the video. In the description, you say if you want the #1 way to manifest money, the #1 way to make money online, click this link. you put your affiliate link in the description when you upload to this website. Does that make sense? Okay? Does that make sense? Are you guys with me? Smash the like button. That's all you have to do. And you keep doing this over and over again using my free content on YouTube. You're moving videos that are already successful. They're already getting millions and millions of views. And you just move them to this website that is brand new, but they're getting over 21 million visits a month. This is how you win, right? You get in first. Does that make sense? You could do over 100 videos like today, right now. Listen, that's how I got paid. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm uploading videos that are already popular to the site. I'm making sure I drop my affiliate link. You're gonna get a free account from digitalstore24.com, right? Say Wesley sent you, it's up to you. And then you take that link and you put that in the description of the upload on the Odyssey site right now. Smash the like button if you could do this, if you're gonna do it right now. And I'm gonna make this public in the comments below. Let me know where you're calling from. Let me know where you are. I wanna make sure I create more videos to make money online for you, so you'll continue to make money over and over again. Listen, I'm sure you've already subbed to the channel. Much love, I appreciate that. Sub, baby. But listen, in the description under this video, I will leave a link to a site that I will help you to make 10K per month in the next 45 days. If you're lazy, don't click it. If you don't want to do no work, don't click it at all. All right? If you're the type of person that's negative, I don't want to deal with you. I'm here to help people, so in the link below, if you want to take this journey with me, let's go. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Much love. Let's get it.